Hi there, little adventurers. I'm Lily, and I've got the most magical story to share with you. It all happened on a bright and sunny day, just like this one, when I wandered into a lively meadow, bursting with colors and the sweet scents of spring. Guess who I met? Andy the ant and Bella the bee, the most joyful dancers you could ever imagine. You know, Andy and Bella are not just any dancers. They're the heart of the meadow's magic. Hello, Andy and Bella. I called out to them. I was so eager to watch them dance, and oh, how I wish to learn their joyful moves. She imitates Andy's enthusiastic nod and Bella's buzzing excitement. They were so welcoming. We'd love to show you our dances, Bella buzzed happily, and maybe you can join us too, added Andy with a twirl. Can you believe it? They invited me to dance with them. First, we did the buzzy boogie. Bella showed us how to make the air buzz with our happiness. Then Andy led the antsy shuffle, and I tried my best to follow. It was like the whole meadow joined in, with butterflies fluttering and rabbits hopping to the rhythm. And all around, painting the meadow's vibrant life. But then Andy and Bella shared something really special, their own dance, a beautiful display of their friendship and unity. It was a dance that made my heart feel so warm and light. This, they told me, is the true magic of the meadow. And now I'm sharing this magic with you, because just like Andy and Bella taught me, happiness grows and becomes even more special when it's shared with friends. So whenever you feel a bit down, remember the buzzy boogie and the antsy shuffle. Dance like no one's watching, and let your heart be as light as a butterfly. Remember, my little friends, the world is full of magic. You just have to step outside with your heart open, ready to dance with every joyful moment the day brings. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll find your own Andy and Bella in the most unexpected